Hey everyone, I'm Master here. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from the title of the video, doing another unboxing video with this. So you're probably wondering, well, probably not because it's in the title. I got this from a YouTuber named Paul the Punter. And I'm trying to remember. His channel is up here in the cards, and he is a mountain biker that lives in Squamish, BC, so pretty much the same place as me, although I don't live in Squamish. But yeah, he just came out with a limited edition thing that I have right here. So you're probably wondering, what is it? Well, let's see what it is. And hopefully I can open this up because I did not. Oh, cool. So, what I got is his new shirts. I bought 3 of them, one 2XL and 2 XLs. So I'll just get rid of the XLs because they're the same. And my thing is the 2XL. And as you can see, nothing else. So these are, I call them raglan shirts. Some people call them baseball. So as you can see, there's a little bit of static on them. So basically here is the shirt, and as you can see, for Punter 2020, and the sleeves are like 3/4 length. They'll go to roughly, I'd say about here on me, I think. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, but I'm not exactly going to take off this shirt and put it on. So tell you what, let's do a little bit of magic. Okay, as you can see, shirt here. Ready, set. Nice. Very nice. So, as you can see, looks pretty nice. And I am going to be wearing this when I go to Whistler Bike Park back in, I think it's going to be May, probably. Mid to late May. And as long as the weather is going to be good. So, for those of you who don't know, last year for the opening weekend, it poured. I'll actually put a link to Paul's opening weekend video up in the cards again. And you will see just how insane it was over there. So that's going to be it for this video. As you can see, it's I didn't get a whole lot of stuff that I can really show off except for the shirt. And I will link to his channel again in these cards. In the cards up here. And I'm thinking up here will be his channel. And I'm gonna have another little contest. Whoever can tell me where this hat comes from, I'll pin you in the comments. And here is going to be the last video that I posted. And over here is going to be a video that YouTube suggests for you. Let me know if this video is something that you wanted to watch. And as always, stay awesome, everyone.